Welcome to Dynamic Custom and Restore. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get latest video notification.
Hi. In this video, we are going to paint our X100 engine. So, let's begin. Using paint remover, remove the paint completely from the engine. After paint is removed, wet sand the engine with 120 grit and 220 grit sandpaper, then wash with soapy water. Spray 2K primer on engine covers only, then wet sand with 320 and 400 grit sandpaper. Spray lacquer black color onto the cylinder block. Mixing ratio of lacquer color is 1:2. Spray 3 to 4 coats as required. Let it dry for 30 minutes, mask the cylinder block, before spraying silver color to the engine body and cylinder head. Now spray 2 coats of lacquer silver color on the engine covers and cylinder head. Mixing ratio of lacquer color is 1:2. Here I am using 1.4 mm nozzle spray gun. First spray in tight areas. Spray 3 to 4 coats as required. Let it dry for 30 minutes. And just spray clear on engine side covers only, because clear is not heat resistant, so don't spray over heat areas. Let's spray clear on the other side. That's all in this video. If you like this video, smash the like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, feel free to ask by dropping a comment with your question. We try our best to answer your question. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.